Zip this off. Maybe. Holy cow. Rust, folks. That's all it is. Can't get it off either way. We'll have to approach this a different way. It's rusted. There we go. Easy Reds to the rescue. In a pry bar. A bit of effort. Not going to really matter if this bracket's bent because it's getting replaced. There we go. There. Hang on to that just in case. Got that all set off to the side. This is definitely going to be replaced with the new strut, so I ain't too worried about that being bad. Wouldn't be a very big problem anyway. Yeah, we got these off of here. There we go. Now the knuckle's loose. I can get her out. There we go. This one didn't want to pop out as easy. Got it. Put these nuts together. This thing's rusted in there something fierce. There we go. So you don't want to lose these. Otherwise you'd end up crying, right? Or just finding a new nut. So, there we go. Now we'll go ahead and undo this last one. And this should be just about it. That's the only thing holding that in. the mother of all invention. It's magic. They're in there, and when you're only one person, sometimes you have to. You have to invent. That's right. I got the jack holding it up. There you go. Now I can do it at my leisure. There we go. There. Got it. There you go, folks. Got them all on there. This Easy Red, I can't stress enough. This thing's a perfect length. It gives you plenty of room. The flex head, it just made the job a lot easier. And I didn't have to take this off. I might have spent a little time prying it up with a pry bar, but overall it's just one less thing to tear apart, and it can be done, although you do have to be patient. So got the strut mounted back up here. So all I have to do now is start putting the rest of it back together down below. There we go. And this should help me. Now we're just going to get this strut bolted up here a bit. Throw a few uggas on it. Nice and tight.